Blackberry is bleeding profusely, struggling to stay afloat amidst the competition. By now, it's quite obvious that they're no longer the trailblazing company they once were, so they've tried to reinvent themselves with devices and a new platform to keep up with the times. From the all-touchscreen Z10 to its redefined QWERTY in the Passport, there's no arguing that Blackberry has been experimenting a lot in order to find that right form factor. Unfortunately, none of them have been able to make a significant impact on consumers. Enter the Blackberry Classic, an old-school berry that employs an iconic design. Indeed, it's a modern spin on a classic, but is it something that'll really bring back consumers to Blackberry Circle? The package contains microSD charging cable, wall charger, stereo headphones, owner's manual, keyboard. Boy, does it feel good to see this classic keyboard again. It's 100 times more useful than the Passport's awkwardly arranged keyboard. Thank goodness Blackberry decided to use the classic bold keyboard from yesteryear, as opposed to the newer layout and style of the Passport keyboard. No longer are we struggling to type on this QWERTY, as it features the same sculpted keys, stainless steel band separators, and tactile responses that made the old Blackberry smartphones such a joy to type on. At the same time, the Classic brings back the optical trackpad and physical set of buttons beneath its display, providing another alternative to navigation and operating the platform.